बात देखेंगे इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी। क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं। पहले देखते हैं विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सर्विस डज नॉट कम अंडर कैटेगरी ऑफ क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग। तो हमें पता है बिग डाटा एज ए सर्विस, ठीक, ये नहीं आता अंडर क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग। व्हाट इज द की साइज ऑफ डाटा इंक्रिप्शन स्टैंडर्ड एल्गोरिथम इन cryptography, which is the correct answer is the for data encryption. DS is type of a black zipper that encrypted data block size 64 bit each, but key length is 56 bit. Because of the ES process, 8 bit keys discard in 64 bit. A total of 8 bits are discarded, so hence 56 bit A option. Next question देखते हैं. Which one of the following statement is related to frequency hopping spread spectrum? It is a spread spectrum technique which allows for the coexistence of multiple networks in same area by spreading different networks using different hopping sequences. This is correct. Yeah. Next question. Which one of the statement is not relevant to quantum computing? Quantum computation does not support entrainment and measurement of quantum computers. Registers can yield only a small discrete set of values. A device which exhibits a regular or unpredictable response time is called asynchronous. Which one of the following table is used by operating system to keep the track of many one input output request at the same time, which is a device status table? Which one of the following documents are created and handled by Common Gateway Interface CGI technology, which is a dynamic document? Consider the following statement regarding cybersecurity multi-donor trust fund. First statement is the World Bank was launched a new cybersecurity multi-donor trust fund to better roll out cybersecurity development agenda in a systematic manner. Second statement, the new fund has been developed as an associated trust fund under the Border Disease Development Partnership (DDP) umbrella program. That is, World Bank has partnered with 4 countries, namely Estonia, Japan, Germany, and the Netherlands, to launch the fund. The correct statement 1, 2, and 3. Statement 1. Statement Information and Communication Technology (ICT) and facilitate improved service delivery and more efficient internal operation. Statement 2. Raw material which have a high value to value ratio and involve proportionality, high transport cost, and are imported are regarded as non-traded items. Hence, the option is correct. Both statements are which one of the following protocol is used to address the two routine decision problem in border gateway protocol? Which one of the following is a harmful program that resides in the active memory of the computer and duplicates itself without human intervention, often sending copies of themselves to other computers by mail, which is wrong? Which one of the following attacks is one in which a malicious hacker takes over computers via the internet and causes them to flood a target site with demand for data and other small tasks, which is a disturbed denial of service? Which of the following is a set of programs that enable its user to gain administrator level access to a computer without the end user's consent or knowledge, which is a rootkit? Which one of the following is software and or hardware that monitor system and network resources and activities and notify network security personnel when it detects network traffic that attempt to circumvent the security measures of the network, computer environment, and intrusion detection system? Consider the following statement and firewall used in computing systems. First is which control and monitor the data traffic flow between inside and outside networks, and it protects and secure the inside network from any outside network, that it can be implemented in software or hardware or a combination of both, and all the statement is correct. Consider the following statement regarding Internet of IoT. IoT is standard communication internet to all the things that's on the being in communication. IoT uses only wireless technology. The major objective of IoT are the creation of a small environmental, spatial, and self-aware thing. The correct is the correct statement. Consider the following statement regarding cold loop store. First statement, it is a device that read and write data in an optimal form. Second, it is a computer storage device. It is referred to institute where holography is taught, which is 1 and 2 is correct statement. What does CDMA stand for? CDMA is core division multiple access. The core element of high-level programming language are keyboard operators and functions. Statement 1 and later is not a mixture of hardware and software. It is called cannot be used to test and debug the hardware and software of an external system. Statement 2. Part of the hardware of an emulator is a multi-wire cable which connects the host system to the system being developed. And statement 1 is false, but statement 2 is true. Second question is the traditional way to handle forms and other interactive web page system is called. This is a common gateway interface. Computer network, a point-to-point transmission with one sender and one receiver is called unicast. The AES key expansion algorithm takes as input a 4-word 16-bit key and produce a linear array of which is a 44 words 176 bytes. Which one of the following is an advantage of branched or intrinsic programming type or style in ICT based teaching and learning process? The correct option is large stream reduce the time of learning. Statement 1. Information and communication technology can facilitate improved service delivery and more efficient internal organization. Raw material which have a high value to volume ratio and involve proportionality. High transport costs and are important are regarding as non-traded items. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are individually true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. A cybernetic control system that acts to reduce deviation from standard is called a negative feedback loop. Which type of output device create colored image which look and feel like photographs? This is a dye sublimation filter. What is the full form of YCTC, which is Information and Communication Technology? Which of the following is an ICT based tool? Which is a Microsoft Word, Blackboard, Kahoot, which is all of the above. What is a Google Meet used for online video conferencing? What is the primary purpose of ICT tool? This is improving communication and collaboration. Next question. What is a Kahoot used for? Which is used for quiz creation and interactive learning. Which of the following is a cloud storage ICT tool? Which is a OneDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox, all of the above. What is the main use of Excel? Which is data analysis and spreadsheet management. In which sector are ICT tools used the most? Which is used for education, healthcare, business, all of the above. Which of the following is a learning management system? What is ICT based tool camera used for? Which is a graphic design? Exam point of view. for VGA is video graphics added the maximum capacity of 1.5-inch height sensitive rubber sheet of the disk is 1.44 MB and ergonomic for MICA. MICR is magnetic ink character reader. Dash computer language is used for artificial intelligence to learn that type of computers which are client computer most of the time in a client server system microcomputer. The computer cannot boot if does not have operating system. Where are data and programs stored when the processor uses them? Main memory. That programming language which are classified as low-level language assembly language. DMA is the acronym for direct memory access. That memory unit which is static and non-volatile is ROM. Optical disk is an optical disk drive a user right to read, write data to multiple disks. So is an economic for common business oriented language. If in a computer 16 bytes are used to specific address in a RAM, the number of address is 65536 dash operating system developed by IBM industry. Primary memory and ROM. Solid state drive is SSD used integrated circuit assembly as memory to store data. System SSD has no memory component. Code consists of line of bearing with all lengths that are computer readable are known as barcodes. The storage drive which are most commonly used optical. EEPROM is system for electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. It is a special ROM and is faster than RAM. The measurement of things such as fingerprints and retinal skin used for security access is biometric. Flash memories MAR and NAND are the two types of flash memory used in pen drive micro SSD card etc. MS DOS introduced by Microsoft is an operating system. That device which can be used to directly image printed text OCR. Mainframe computer means they are known as their large size, amount of storage, processing power and high level of flexibility. What part which interpret program instruction and initiate control operation control unit. A normal CD RAM ROM can store up to 700 MB. Function of input device in a computer. They accept data and instruction from the user. The output quality of printer measurement in dot upper range. GUI is an interface that allows to interact with electronic devices through a graphical icon and visual indicator. GUI stands for graphical user interface. Regarding a supercomputer, supercomputer consists of tens of thousands of processors that perform billions and trillions of calculations per second. An ergonomy for program formula translation, the task which is made up of circular thin plastic jacket coated in magnetic material floppy disk. A piece of software designed to fix security vulnerabilities and bug in computer is bad. Using high-level language in Fortran and COBOL are used third generation IBM notebook, Pentium PC, Ferrum 10,000 are example of dash of computer fifth generation breakpoint which is used to connect large resolution monitor to the computer VGA port. Are used to store more than 25 GB of data with very high speed in less amount of time. Blu-ray disk. A lifetime used in computers optical input device dash control the manner of interaction between the user and the operating system user interface. That utility software which helps solve the space on the disk and transfer heavy files on the network compression utility. A computer that converts assembly language to machine language is for assembler. Instruction and memory addressing are represented by binary code. Translates a high-level instruction directly into machine language in computer system is compiler. WVWMA AIFF are example of autofile format. The main folder on a storage device is called root directory measures the speed of supercomputer floppies. QR code are used in inventory tracking to shipping and logistics. online ticketing etc. LCD is the technology used for displaying notebook and other computers. Writer trading is a computer system related to processor for processing spreadsheet, database program or example application software. This circuit which is used as memory device computer after the processor running. The software code is decoding magnetic storage device to different dimensions by absence of magnetic spots. An optical input device that interprets pencil marks on paper media is overmarked. That post which cannot express a barcode may be used to monitor sound cards in computer system and material. The latest Android OS version is called as Pi. Modifier in computer is CTRL L6. LED TV consumes less power as compared to plasma TV. Oxygen operating system is customized version of Android mobile OS. Next, communication. Consider the following statements regarding the failure of the network. First statement, which errors typically occur because outside force such as lighting, strike, power surge and microwave oven interferes with the transmission of data signal. One of the main difficulties in dealing with lost packet is the distinguish between a packet that is indeed lost and one that is late in arriving at the late in arriving at the destination. The failure can be caused by software that fails, a power failure or a reckless on-off operator. Hence, 1 and 2, 3. All the statement is correct. Consider the following statement for significance of statements in the Internet architecture. First statement, programmers are free to define new channel abstraction of application that run on top of an event distributed. Second, to define a common method for exchanging profit and a byte fetching network. Third, it allows protocol to be included in the architecture, which is all the statement is correct. HD mobility that is in a quarter of size of standard TV that is it has a resolution of 352 by 220 pixels. Each pixel is represented by 24 bits of information output. In case of 42-bit color, then what is the approximate size of each frame? तो आपको पता है नंबर ऑफ ईच पिक्सल, नंबर ऑफ पिक्सल इनटू कलर डेप्थ, नंबर ऑफ पिक्सल 352 into 24, the number of pixels, color depth 24 bits, तो size of frame 24 into 84,400 it is multiply करो, ना बीट्स आ जाए उसको बाइट्स में आप कन्वर्ट करो, ठीक है, 124 से डिवाइड, ठीक है, तो ये आपका आ जाएगा 247.5 KB ऑप्शन, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which one of the following standards is used in vehicular communication system IEEE 802.1? Which one of the following transmission media are used for remote controlled communication for television, VCR and stereo etc, which is unguided infrared and limited waves? Pre-echo PE distortion in audio signal represents the theoretical limit on compressibility of particular signal. Next question, which of the following are the advantage of coding audiovisual object? First statement, it allows interaction with the content. It improves reusability and for the content. It allows content-based scalability. The transmission of real-time stream across network use bandwidth allocation mechanism BM, which is based on which is peak rate. Which one of the following serves in a tool that allows an information provider to prepare index of unstructured document and allow user to search these indexes and natural search with these indexes are natural language questions wide area information server. Which one of the following protocol is designed to provide privacy between two communicating applications via a client and a server? Session socket layer protocol. Which one of the following statements is used when there are rigid time requirements on the operation of a processor or follow data and thus often used as control device in the dedicated application a real-time system. What is the main purpose of communication in ICT, which is the sharing data? Which of the following type of communication is used in ICT, which is a digital communication? Which technology is used for sending mail? We know that SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Which model is used to data transmission ICT, which is a OSI model, Open System Interconnection? Which one of the following is an example of wired communication, which is a Ethernet? Which technology is used for voice communication in ICT, which is VoIP? What is used to enhance data security in ICT communication? Encryption. What is meant by bandwidth in communication? Amount of data that can be transmitted, which is an example of ICT communication. Image. What does noise mean in ICT communication? Interruption in signal. Example point of view, the International Telecommunication Union (ITU) is headquartered in Spain. By the full form of GPRS is General Public Radio Service. The term full duplex refers to the ability of the data receiving station to echo back a confirming message to the sender in full duplex data transmission. Both the sender and the receiver can receive and send data yes. 4G technologies which use long-term encryption or wireless technology which offers a speed of at least 100 Mbps per second, both high mobility. The communication mode that support two-way traffic but only one direction at a time is called half-wave flash. Advantage to use fiber optical data transmission are resistant to data theft, low noise level, fast data transmission rate, few transmission levels. The EDGE stands for Far First launch in the United States in 2003. Internet access by transmitting digital data over the wires of a local telephone network is provided by digital subscribe line, a USB communication device that support data encryption. For secure wireless communication for notebook user is called a USB wireless network adapter. Communication between a computer and a keyboard involves simplex transmission. VPN is private computer network offline organization where the remote user can transmit encrypted information through the server of an organization. The application of 3G mobile network are GPS mobile, TV, telemedicine, video conferencing were used in 3G cellular network, TDMA, CDMA, digital modulation format. 3G WCDMA is also known as UMTS. 3G network WCDMA is also known as UTMS. The minimum spectrum allocation required for WCDMA is 5 MHz. The duplexing, which is used in long-term evolution technology FTP, a digital identification uniquely associated with a cellular system is SID. A 32-bit primary number that uniquely identify a mobile unit and set of the factors GSM. HSPA is aggregation of two mobile protocol HSTP and HSUA and performs for UMTS-based universal mobile telecommunication system. CDMA. It is advantageous over other spread spectrum techniques for the privacy due to unique code. It rejects narrow band interference resistant to multi-path threading. Networking. What is the approximate effective throughput if the user wants to pass 3 MB file access a 1 Gbps network with a round trip time of 100 ml, is 74.1 MB per second. In a network, a transphonic channel with a one-way latence of 50 ms and a bandwidth of 45 Mbps is able to hold how many bits that fit in the pipe approximately. It's the number of bits of that fit in that pipe times into bandwidth 15 to 10 power minus 10 to the 12 10 power 6 bit 2.25 into 10 power 6 bits. The Ethernet is done by IE to complete, which LAN protocol which can transmit data 10 times faster at a rate of 100 Mbps is fast Ethernet. Which of the following network metrics are used to evaluate the performance of network throughput and delay? Which of the following things are defined by uniform resource allocator for specifying the information is internet protocol, host, computer, port, and path? Which one of the following involved for the examination of internet record to track down the identifying of someone who posts in a discussion forum on one website might search for clues to the posted identify on Facebook, Twitter, and other online resource. Top 6. Which one of the following protocols is used to grab IP packets with the additional feature of multiplexing or demultiplexing multiple processes using a single IP address, which is a user data RAM protocol? Which one of the following code modules are used where the browser fetch from a special directory on the disk and install as an extension to itself, which is plug in? Which one of the following features are used when website is complex consisting of many pages produced by multiple author working for some company, often desirable to have a way to prevent a different page from having a different appearance, which is style sheet? Which one of the language is used to develop the web page infrastructure and for automated processing? The extensible markup language. Which one of the following interface is used to allow web server to talk to backend program and the script that can accept input and generate HTML page in response? Common gateway interface. Which one of the following status code response is an internal server error, which is 500? In a software project, QCOMO cost constructing model is used to estimate often effort and duration difference. As the software गलत है, expected option is size and duration based on the effort of the software गलत है. The percent cost based on size of the software गलत है. Size and effort and duration based on the cost of the software is correct. In a radar system, the term rat race is used in the connection with UPPSC. The protocol HTTP and DNS name of the host and the file name is identified through uniform resource locator. The quality of service provided in a computer network layer issue. Which one of the following layer in the OSI reference model is connected with transmission of understructured bit stream over physical medium, deals with the mechanical and electrical functional and procedural characteristic to access the physical medium physical layer? Which one of the following is used for a radio station within the same region where each radio station has its own frequency division multiplexing? The Ethernet designed by IEEE to compute with LAN protocol which can transmit data 10 faster rate of 100 Mbps is fast Ethernet. IEEE stands for protocol which defines a wireless personal area network band operable in room is which is a Bluetooth. Which one of the following points is a private switching station that connects the national internet service provider network and operates at high data rate up to 600 Mbps peering point? Which one of the following is a nodal department implement fixed public internet access program and rural internet connectivity by converting its offices as multi-service center department of post? The test measures the number of lost or garbled messages as a fraction of the total send of the sampling period. Residual error rate, which ZigBee device is used to transfer data between ZigBee router. Which one of the following is invalid transmission mode, which is a complex a program or computer that connects to a server and requests information client? television transmission is an example of which of the following which is simplex communication. Which of the following option is an example of half duplex communication device which is a walkie-talkie? The process of conversion to digital sound is known as pulse code modulation. Which of the following communication is the method of communication between processes that they interact with each other for gaining access to shared data and resource, which is an inter-processes. In which data transmission mode can two devices that send data receive data but not both at same time. Half duplex, in which communication mode data can be transmitted in both at the same time. Full duplex, which of the following connection used phone lines which carry digital signal instead of analog signal DSL. Which protocol determines how to transfer a stream byte in an IP packet while ensuring the quality of transport of an IP packet with reference to Internet architecture is TCP, transmission control protocol. In an optical fiber, the signal is transmitted due to total internal reflection. Next question, the optical fiber works in the principle of total internal reflection. A set of wires through which data is transmitted from one port of the computer to another port is called bus. Which among the following is needed to transmit data in optical fiber? Light. The full form of Wi-Fi is wireless fidelity. Which among the following is not true with reference to wireless network? They are more secure and reliable when compared to wired network. Which one of the following internet access method use Wi-Fi technology which enables electronic device to connect to internet or exchange data wirelessly through radio web Wi-Fi hotspot? Which of the following method cannot be used for data transfer between two computers? Wi-Fi. CSMS is method which was developed to decrease the chance of collision when two or more stations start sending their signal over the data link. What does CSMS stand for? Carrier sense multiple access. What do you call the range of frequency containing composite signal, which is a bandwidth? In a digital communication system, if you want to increase noise immunity, then we need to increase signal power. Which of the following is not a basic component of fiber optic communication system, which is fiber is research. In data communication, be it data or digital cloud, which is analog. A cell phone connected to Bluetooth headset or mobile computer connected to portable Bluetooth thermal printer is an example of a personal area network. Which of the following is a communication service provided by internet, which is a telnet? Which layer protocol is DNS internet architecture is application? Protocol that requires a logical connection to establish between two devices before transferring data is called, which is a connection-oriented protocol. Which one of the following is not from the GSM family wireless technology, which is DSL? Information technology can be defined as connectivity and hardware. Which of the following terms best describe the process of interconnecting two or more networks to form a single network? Networking. The system is designed to create or prevent unauthorized access to private network with a firewall. What is the use of plug being commanded in computer, which is used to set the ability to the source computer to reach a specific destination computer? Which of the following activity is not related to the research engine work, say routing? In the creation of UPPSC, what is the full form of this? Second T, which is a transfer for total full form is the hypertext transfer protocol secure. Which of the following is a low power local area wireless communication technology, which is Bluetooth? Which layer is internet architecture include protocol that provides service like SMTP and FTP, which is application? The layer of the TCP IP protocol is application layer, data link layer, transport layer, network layer, and hardware layer. GPRS basically stand the barrier of a different 5G technology. Which among the following values is standing used for the network technology visibility? What is the size of the source port in the TCP header, which is a 16-bit? What is unit of, or which is a unit of the data transfer rate? Question: which of the following is not a component of the computer network, which is USB? Which of these is not a switching technology? Data switching. For networking, switches are used in the to connect the system over the network. Internet works only on pocket switches. Internet is the best example of a WLAN. Why do we use it? Which of the following WAN technology is the data communication technology in which software used to create a virtual network on the top of the network to use your hardware and cabling infrastructure over the network. At the link layer, what is the network MAC address 38-bit? The general length of MAC address is 38-bit. Which of the following command is used to view the entire route through which internet traffic is transferred from your computer to the remote server in Windows system, which is a Terracord. In India, the term public key infrastructure used to contest of which is a digital security infrastructure. Which of the following is a device that carries data packet along the network? A router. For its pin-based 5 network type as Raspberry platform RV11. Which of the following OSI layers is named for translating, encrypting, and compressing data presentation layer? OSI network architecture. The routing is performed by network layer. Which of the following OSI layer provides between error detection and correction? Data link layer. Which layer is found between physical layer and network layer? Which is data link layer. OSI model. What is the layer that controls token management system? Session layer. IEEE 802.11 standard developed in which year? 1997. The commonly used to measure the speed of data transmission is which is a byte per second. Define the amount of data that can be transported through a communication medium in given amount of time bandwidth. Using which app can customer in India measure the download speed of bandwidth, which is my speed app. The network overloaded with much data sent by many computers within the network. The inability of the network to deliver the data term as congestion. The transfer of data from one application to another in a computer system is not dynamic data exchange. Sending a frame to group of station is multicasting, which is the TCP/IP loopback addressing networking 0.01. What does this loop weapon stand for? IPv6 is a low power wireless personal area network. Bluetooth tabs is an example of personal area network. For textual chatting or internet, most common chat protocol is IRC, Internet Relay Chat. In infrastructure, WAN to device communicate is through an access point. In which of the following network topologies each node is connected directly to other nodes is written? What is the network configuration in which of the all data information through control data is passed, which is star network? In computers in LAN are connected along a signal cable when the main given receptor topology is a bus topology. Network topology in which concept of central node is used for read broadcasting of signal receipt, a peripheral node which is a star topology. The most reliable network configuration is a mesh in which of the following network topology failure of one node can disturb the whole network, which is a ring. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Smoothing in acquiring the user ID and the password. Attackers attempt to trick user to click a link that will download a malware or direct them to a domain website. That type of cyber attack can be phishing. Which of the following is not a type of IoT security threat, which is social networking? What does a DOS security attack in IoT stand for? Distributed denial of service. The act of secretly listening to the private conversation or communication of others without their consent in order to gather information is known as capstone dropping. Which of the following is true for a logic bombing? It is a code contained in the malware by the implicator. Which character of the Indian IT Act 2000 mandates the establishment of Cyber Applicate Tribunal, Chapter 10? ADSL provisional dash data rates in the downstream direction from the central workstation to individual rather than the use upward direction from the individual to central workstation higher. The technology that provides high internet speed over telephone writing is called ADSL. Internet is also known as H2.3. The proxy dash is happened an application legal gateway. Modem is connected to a phone line, which is the following is an example of communication device. Modem IPv4 addressing and dividing into 4 segments. What is size of each segment? 8 bit. Which type of modem contains clock recovery circuit? Synchronous modem. Which of the following does not affect the quality of wireless communication signal recognition? Which of the following is an all of the PDA in laptop mobile? Which of the following statement is wrong? So wrong आपका पहला स्टेटमेंट पढ़ लेते हैं. कुछ एक्सेस इज जनरली देयर इज पे अनरिलायबल brightness system for आपका वर्ल्ड वाइड इंटरऑपरेबिलिटी और माइक्रोवेव एक्सेस. अब जो बाकी के क्वेश्चन हैं पार्ट 2 में आपको यहाँ से देखना. ठीक है. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड